Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Jscan right away. Don't linger on settings, get scanning. Grant camera and storage access so the app can capture and save files. Sign in or make a quick account. Once done, enable auto-upload if you want cloud backups automatically. Position the document flat, remove shadows, and frame it tightly. This improves detection. Tap the scan button to begin. The app will analyze edges and suggest a crop, so you can adjust before capturing. Once you capture an image, Jscan runs edge detection. This is where you refine the result. If edges look off, switch to manual adjust and drag corners. This fixes skewed perspective for clear text. Next, choose a filter. Color for photos, grayscale for mixed content, or B/W for high contrast documents. Use the perspective correction tool to flatten the page visually and pinch to zoom to inspect details. When satisfied, tap Save. You finish by saving and exporting. Pick PDF for multi-page documents or JPG for single images, and set resolution to balance size and clarity. Use OCR to extract editable text, then proofread and correct any mistakes because OCR isn't perfect. Export options include share, email, or cloud. Choose a destination and confirm upload. If scans come out blurry, make sure stabilization is on, clean the lens, and increase lighting by about 30 to 50%. This usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.